Disease will strike your farming operation sooner or later. How you get through it successfully will depend on how well prepared you are to deal with it. Do you know what you are dealing with? Is it curable? Is it preventable? Is it a one-goat illness or a herd outbreak? Which diseases look the same and how can you tell them apart to determine the course of action? You will have to anticipate all these things to properly manage your farm. It is therefore essential that you know what you are dealing with by learning the signs of different culprits when doing an autopsy. You should always try to find out what the cause of the damage is in order to combat it. Guessing and treating your herd for parasites when it is actually a disease will do more harm than good. Your goats are your biggest asset when it comes to farming. Keeping them alive, healthy, and thriving at maximum potential should be your greatest concern. It is therefore not worth your while to do guesswork and when it comes to illness, disease, parasites, or nutrition. A proper understanding of these aspects, as well as how they influence each other, will help you to run your farm optimally. We therefore developed these 3 courses, including practical training, to properly educate farmers on how to manage their herds with an in-depth understanding of how each system works.